said a lot into planning. You like to plan, and
Hmm.
I
Yeah.
also used to like to plan. I still plan. In
Mhm.
front of me, there are three chart papers, all filled with plans. Right?
Nice.
I cannot process without planning, just like you. So
Yeah.
explain a little
Mhm.
bit. What is this planning that you do? How you proceed with it?
Uh, Basically, if I'll tell you, like I prepared an Excel sheet.
All right.
So
High
in that,
level. Hmm.
yeah, I prepared an Excel sheet.
Hmm.
So in that only for the past 3 years I'm planning.
Hmm. Hmm.
It is full of data and the things that I have to improve. I used to write
Hmm.
on that and a lot of other stuff I
Can
used to
you
write
share
there.
some part of it which you do not want it to be private, like some part which can be seen by others or can be seen by me, because I would love to see how you plan on Excel sheet. It must have become
Okay, I'll send you that. I'll
okay,
send you
okay,
that.
great, great. Okay, and then
It will be really funny for some because
but I want to see
in
because I've
Excel
not seen anyone planning that detail. Like it is
on
high
Excel.
level. I've planned on simple chart paper and all, making tables like that. But you are like,
No,
okay,
it can be silly also if you'll see.
no, no, no.
You can find it silly.
It will be silly if you do not understand it, right? So,
But
okay, okay, please.
it worked for me basically. It worked for me.
Great, great. Explain how you do it. Hmm.
So okay. So basically, when you get a date
Hmm.
for a particular examination, I used to treat every examination differently.
Hmm.
So like I get a date or CIL
Hmm.
or NLC.
All right.
Then from today's date till the date of the examination,
Hmm.
I'll divide the time
Hmm.
and then I will go to the resources
All right.
that what I have to cover.
Hmm.
Then I'll list down all those. I will write down all those,
Hmm.
and then accordingly I will plan that in which month, in which week, in what day. Now daily planning will be a little bit, more difficult or very time taking. But weekly you can do
All right.
basically
Hmm.
easily. Weekly planning you can do.
Hmm.
So weekly I used to do weekly planning or sometimes daily also. So I used to divide the time and resources accordingly between the time and along with the time for revision. Because what we generally do when we prepare a resource, we generally don't plan the revision
Hmm.
accordingly.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that is the mistake I was doing, in my first year of preparation, that I was not planning my revision perfectly.
All right.
I was covering 10 resources in one go for the first time,
Hmm.
but revising only 7 or 8.
Hmm. Hmm.
So those three resources that I was not covering the second time will go in waste.
Hmm.
My time and effort that I have put in covering those resources will go in vain completely.
Okay. Yeah.
So what I'll suggest you, every aspirant, that plan your revision when you are doing it the very first time.
Hmm.
Just plan it in that way.
Hmm. Hmm.
So revision is very important. So if we'll talk about planning more, so basically it is not a very difficult thing. You have to just divide the time and resources
Hmm.
according to time, and be very aware of daily targets and on the track, on the direction on which you are in.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So the direction should be very what you have planned. You should be able to execute that also.
All right.
So direction you have to measure accordingly time to time, and you have to make changes also, because like I was preparing for an exam and in between an interview came.
Hmm.
So my planning kind of failed
Yes.
because of that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have to now plan for the interview also.
Yeah.
So again I have to remold my planning schedule and
Yes.
all that.
Yes.
So you can do. It's not a very
There's a
very
iteration
difficult
process.
thing.
You have to constantly change it according to the
Yeah, yeah,
adjustment,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So
And it's not very difficult. You can do
it's
easily.
not difficult at all. And you said very
Yeah.
important words very fast, that there are resources and then there are targets. Then you'll have to
Hmm.
take care of when the target
Take
is,
care.
and then what are your resources. Time is one of your resource, and then allocate your
Hmm.
resources accordingly to achieve the target.
Yes.
And another thing that is very important is that ultimately you'll have
Hmm.
to execute and force yourself to follow the plan. It's just
Follow the plan.
sometimes planning is like a drug. When you make plans, it is very, very
Hmm.
pleasant, right? You like the process,
Yeah,
that okay, I can achieve
yeah.
these things like this. But then when you execute, it is the difficult part, right? And
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
where
yeah.
you really have to excel.
And the most difficult part in my view is that when you're not able to keep up with your goals, you are failing day by day.
Yeah.
You're not able to achieve your targets, so you start to questioning your planning. You start to question your
Correct.
planning, that I am not planning well. So in that time you have to really remold your
Hmm.
planning and the execution part also.
Hmm.
So that because in daily basis, if you cover all your goals, your target, if you cover them,
Hmm. Hmm.
it gives you a self confidence that I can plan,
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
can execute.
Yes.
I'm not a messed up person.
Plans
So
will fail,
yeah,
and it happens,
yeah,
but
yeah,
that does not mean that plans do not work. It is just like
Yeah.
that is the part of it, and no matter how well
Mhm.
you plan or even how well you execute it, we want a lot of things, but sometimes it requires some amount of time. And it is said that if you
Yeah.
fail to plan, then you plan to fail. Correct?
You plan to fail. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So
Planning very necessary.
planning is very
Yeah.
very important. You have to adjust. You have to execute. It is difficult. See, you can
Mhm.
achieve something without planning, but whenever you do that, you are going to find out that you never wanted exactly that. And when
Mhm.
you want something and you achieve exactly that only, then there's always a plan for that, because
Yeah.
that is how you actually moved in a particular direction, right?
Yes, yes.
So
Direction is very important.
yeah, so that is why planning is
Yeah.
extremely
There's
important.
also one thing that I like to quote, like
Yes.
speed doesn't matter,
Mhm.
but the direction really matters.
Oh, yes, yes.
The pace can be slow,
Hmm.
but the direction cannot be wrong.
Correct, correct.
So you have to, go slow. You can
Moving,
go slow
yeah,
in the right direction.
moving very, very fast in the wrong direction
Wrong direction.
will never
Yeah,
let
will
you
be
reach
a
your
blunder.
target, correct? Okay,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
very important. Ravi, there are a lot of things actually that we can talk about over here. Maybe we can do it some other time, because we've been talking for 1 hour now. That is great.
Okay.
Yeah, it almost seems
Okay.
like 10 minutes ago we were
Now,
setting up the camera and all that we have to do these things. But time flies.
yeah, I also not realized that we are talking for 1 hour.
Yeah, that is the
Great time.